Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly exciting: how to create stunning, one of a kind tattoo designs using Midjourney. Whether you're a tattoo artist looking to bring unique ideas to life, or just someone who wants a completely original design for your next ink, well, this video will guide you step by step. Instead of relying on pre made designs or generic templates, we're using AI to generate tattoos that are custom tailored to personal styles and meetings. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you craft your perfect tattoo. So let's jump right in. The first step to designing the perfect tattoo is to develop a unique concept. Tattoos are really deeply personal, and Midjourney right here can help visualize any idea, no matter how abstract or symbolic. So, whether you're looking for something minimalistic, like this one, or intricate, like this one, or surreal, kind of like this one, defining the core elements of your tattoo is key. So, to make the results as accurate as possible, just be specific with your descriptions. So, right here, I want Midjourney to generate a tattoo design for like a black and gray wolf howling under a crescent moon. See right here are all the other detailed wordings here, as you can see. So just consider elements like shading style, level of detail, and overall aesthetic. Now, if you want a realistic piece, just mention intricate textures and dynamic lighting. Just like this one, for example. See? Just read it. Ethereal glowing moonlight reflecting softly on fur. See? Look at that. And yep. And if you prefer a minimalist design, include fine line or geometric in your prompt. So now that we input right here our prompt, so let's see which Midjourney would generate. There we go. So now Midjourney will process this prompt and generate different variations based on our description. Okay, the cool part is that we can refine it a bit and experiment with various styles to make it even more personal. Just feel free to do that. And here are the rendered images based on our prompt. See right here? So we look closely, we can see how the glowing moonlight with the design. See, it's very etched well here, just slightly enhances the depth of the wolf's fur, giving it like an ethereal feel. Here's another one. Yep, this would match this more with this one. Look at that. And another one right here. I think I kind of like this even more. And another one right here on that person's arm. Look at that. So, yeah, the different variations let us choose whether we want a more fierce, powerful stance or a softer, more mystical aura. See, we can take these as inspiration or tweak the prompt, just like I said, for further refinement. Tattoo style determines its overall look and how it fits on the skin. Now, Midjourney can generate designs in a variety of styles, from traditional American to neo Japanese to fine line minimalism. Well, if you're unsure about which style suits your tattoo best, Midjourney can generate multiple versions of the same concept. Well, depends on the details of your prompt that you're crafting in different art styles. So this allows you to visualize your idea as a geometric, illustrative, or even watercolor style tattoo before committing to one. So here's mine right here. So mine wants a phoenix rising majestically from glowing embers. So I would say traditional Japanese irezumi style with the bold black outlines, dynamic, has feather details, dramatic swirling smoke effect, and has to be on full sleeve, tattoo concept for proper arm curvature. Okay, so once I got everything here, Midjourney will then generate into like 4 rendered images. It depends on how it generated in different styles that is. So we'll see. Okay, so with this prompt right here, we're telling Midjourney again to generate like a full sleeve tattoo in the traditional Irezumi style, which is known for its bold colors and intricate details. So we've also included dynamic movement to capture the phoenix's soaring posture and glowing fire embers to enhance the dramatic effect. All right, here is the final look right here. Okay, not bad for a concept tattoo design. Would you look at that? Just notice the colors and the line work that stay true to the traditional Irezumi style. See, look at the feathers. They have the intricate level of detail right here, and the fire embers. Look at that. Create a sense of movement. Look at another one right here. See, fire embers. See, look at that up close. It makes the phoenix look alive. One here. There we go. There are some variations might lean toward a more modern aesthetic. Also, right here, just feel free if you want to vary it very simple, just go with this one. Or if you want it strong, go with this one. Okay, look, here it is. The comparison, subtle, and the strong rendered images will be completed at any moment. Oh, yep, here it is. See the difference? Look at that. A lot more detailed and strong with the colors and stuff. All right, there we go. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help get us traction in the YouTube algorithm. Tattoo placement affects design composition, and Midjourney can help visualize how a design will look on different body areas, like the wrist, the back right over here, chest, or even a full sleeve. Now, Midjourney can generate designs that specifically fit the placement you have in mind. For example, let's say a forearm tattoo might need a vertical composition, while a chest tattoo right here may need to be more symmetrical, as you can see right here. So let's create a design with body placement in mind. So this time, we've got to go with a forearm placement. Right here, with my prompt, let's say with a mandala pattern. So we could guide Midjourney to generate something that naturally fits that area. We've also specified like a balanced flow and like wraps around arm naturally to make sure like the design isn't just flat but follows the natural contours of the arm. So let's end this off and let Midjourney do the rest with the image rendering process until the image results would depend on following with the prompt we just crafted together right over here. Let's just wait for a bit. Okay. Here's the final touch. Okay. So here it is. One right here. Look at that. The design is really structured to wrap really nicely around the forearm right here. Look at that. Ensures a balanced and visually appealing placement. See right here, the symmetry is well balanced and the fine line details make the mandala appear delicate yet striking right here. And another one right here. Look at that. See? Pretty stunning with all the dot work and the lines. Again, the symmetry. It's all really lined up really well with our prompt. Quite impressive, I must say. See? Right here overall. I know this one has like an idea in mind, but this one really matches really well with our prompt details right here. And yep, there you have it. 3 different ways to use Midjourney for creating unique, customized tattoo designs. Whether you're playing with different styles, refining compositions for body placement, or crafting deeply personal tattoo concepts, Midjourney can be an amazing tool for tattoo inspiration. See you next time, everybody.